Hello guys! Lika papasyal ko kayo dito sa isang famous na bahay. This is not a ordinary house. It's a mansion. So every year talagang dinedecorate nila tong house nito. So sabi ko -27 ngayon, puntahan namin kasi walang masyadong tao. Sabi ni Mr. Paano kung ganun din ang iniisip ng mga peoples? Nandito sila lahat. Yan guys, mag-umpisa tayo dito. Pero ito yung talagang mansion house. This is the famous house in Calgary. Look at that guys. Picture. Ayan. Look at that. Pretty. Very festive. See, walang galong tao. Kasi malamig ngayon. It's -27. Ganda, diba? Pupunan ko ng picture. Yan guys. Only in Calgary. It's a mansion house. Buo yan hanggang doon sa likod, hanggang sa tuktok. Every year yan. Every year. Kasi ang ganda. But I think iba yung design nila this year.